My name's Freedom Pina. This is a project for Blue Claw Associates, and basically this is just a pool surround with a spa. They're having a cabana over there. So basically it's just a linear lay of what is this? Blue mist, and it's just a linear lay of that in straight lines, broken, normal half a bond. Yeah, that's about it. A pool surround, and then we have a patio over here, and it's just same thing, linear lay with half bond joint with and what we like to do now is make them like 1/4 inch joints so they're nice and tight, and we end up using spacers to make them all even and make our line straight. We use these spacers sort of like tile to give them that exact 1/4 inch and everything to match out, and then we'll be veneering. Same thing we did over there to the jacuzzi area, spa area. We'll be doing the same thing on the inside of this foundation area. I'm sure on the outside, but we know for sure on the inside. And that's about it.